Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, after discussing different concepts from the chapter Understanding Secularism, let us continue our discussion for discussing exercise activity. The first question from exercise activity, it is of your general opinion, general knowledge. The question is not added here, but the question is make a list of different festivals celebrated in your locality which are related to the other religions. So, for the question, we need to list the different festivals celebrated relating to the different festivals. For example, Yugadi, Deepavali, Dasara, Holi, and others. These are the festivals celebrated related to Hinduism or Hindus, whereas Bakrid, Moharram, Ramzan, these are the important festivals celebrated related to Islam, whereas Good Friday, then Christmas. So these are the important festivals celebrated related to the Christianity. Then Kal Baisakhi related to Sikhs. Then Onam and other regional festivals are also going to be celebrated. So we have to make a list. Then other than that, the next question which I added with number 1. So the question is, will the government intervene if some religious groups say that their religion allows them to practice infanticide? Give reasons for your answer. Infanticide, female infanticide, female foeticide. So these are some of the social problems which are mainly treated as evils, E-V-I-L-S, evils, threats. So infanticide means hatye, bruna hatye, shishu hatye. So the answer is, the government in any democratic nation would intervene if some religious groups say that their religion allows them to practice infanticide, because this tradition goes against the fundamental rights to life. So when the womb develops, so from then till the birth of a baby, it is the right of mother as well as baby to get their fundamental right to live and get life. No religion, no individual is having right to kill the infanticide. That's why no religion is allowed to intervene in practicing infanticide. Then the government in this case interferes by coercion. However, sometimes the government may also intervene via support. For example, Sikhs in Delhi are excluded from wearing helmets on two-wheelers because their religion demands them to wear a turban, a sacred tradition for them. Then question number 2. Here is a table with 3 different columns. Column A, first column is objective, second column is why is this important, and the third column is example of a violation of this objective. So we have to complete the table with the given objectives. So the first objective is, one religious community does not dominate another. The answer is, this is important to practice fundamental right to freedom or freedom of religion. Example is example of violation. Here the demolition of the Babri Masjidi in Ayodhya on 6th December 1992 by Hindu nationalists. It is the example for the first question. The second question is, the state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. Why it is important? The answer is, this is important to uphold the ideals of a democratic nation which allows its citizens freedom to choose whatever the religion they wish to follow. Example, France in the month of February 2004, it banned head covers and turbans in public places, thereby hurting the sentiments of Muslims and Sikh minorities. Then C, that some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. It is important because this is necessary to uphold individuals' freedom in the light of pressure from a group of religious community that one belongs to. Then, example of violation, the Christian community is divided into Protestant and Catholics. Irish Catholics are looked down upon and troubled by the officials of the Church of England, who are predominantly Protestants. So after discussing question number 1 and 2, let me end today's session, and remaining questions from the exercise activity will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Until then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and thank you one and all.